I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make dark chocolate-covered strawberries. Only ways. Begin by washing and thoroughly drying strawberries, then chill them briefly to reduce surface moisture. Set up a double boiler or microwave-safe bowl for melting chocolate gently, and prepare a baking sheet with parchment paper. Gather skewers or forks for dipping, and measure chocolate weight versus berry count to plan portions and avoid waste. Heat chocolate slowly until velvety and glossy, stirring frequently to achieve a smooth texture that coats clean berries perfectly. If using a double boiler, keep water at a gentle simmer and avoid steam contact with the bowl. For microwave, use short 15-20 second bursts at medium power, stirring between bursts until smooth. Add a teaspoon of neutral oil if needed for shine and easier dipping. Quick recommendation: bring cozy kitchen vibes with the Echo Dot smart speaker while you melt chocolate and prep berries. It fills the room without taking up counter space and keeps your hands free for stirring. If you like this helpful tip, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if it helps your workflow, grab one. Now let's get back to the video. Dip strawberries quickly, letting excess chocolate drip, before placing them on parchment to prevent pooling and uneven bottoms. Rotate the berry during the dip to get an even coat, and wipe the bowl edge for a cleaner finish. For decorative finishes, drizzle contrasting white chocolate or sprinkle chopped nuts before chocolate sets. Chill briefly in the fridge, but avoid long refrigeration to keep berries juicy and flavorful when serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.